This is the stair tread and shelf gauge from Woodpeckers. This tool makes quick work of creating the perfect template when you're working in a house that of course isn't square. I recently used this tool to help me renovate my stair treads. And now I'm going to use it to help me update the shelving in the hall closet to tie into my newly remodeled stairs. I already have all my panels of walnut ready to go, but first we need the template. So I just set the gauge in place and first set the bevel on the right side to match whatever that angle is, and then lock the knob. Then I like to tighten the middle knob, which locks in the length, before tightening the left knob to lock in the left angle. Then I can carefully remove the stair tread and shelf gauge and head down to the shop. To properly transfer the angle, I need to align the gauge perfectly to the back edge of the panel, and that's what these flip stops are for. I just flip them down, hold the gauge firmly in place, and then mark the two angles. And that's my favorite part about this tool, is how quick and easy it makes this whole process. It's literally a measure once, cut once sort of deal. The other tool that makes this process just as easy is my track saw. I just align the track to my pencil mark and make the cut. And to make sure I don't get things all flipped around when I go to install the shelf, I like to label which side is the back and top. Next, it was time to test the fit, so I just had to set it in place, and as you can see, the shelf fits perfectly. I'm really happy with how it turned out. With the first shelf done, I repeated this process 4 more times, until all 5 of my shelves were cut to size. And there's no way I would have gotten this done as fast or as accurate as I did without the stair tread and shelf gauge. It gave me a perfect template in just a few seconds, and those flip stops instantly allowed me to align it to my workpiece. I was confident with each cut I made that the shelves were going to fit perfectly. Now, whether you do home remodeling and install jobs every day or just once in a while, Woodpecker's stair tread and shelf gauge will make your job go smoother and easier and give you the sort of perfect fitting results you'll be proud to show off. The stair tread and shelf gauge is available anytime you need it on our website at woodpeck.com. There's also a link directly below this video that will take you to the ordering page. If you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.